Hi viewers! Today I brought you something really special. I am standing right here in Murphy, North Carolina, Cherokee County, and honestly, I searched hard to find this one for you. Because this is not just any cabin, this is a fully renovated, move-in ready mountain retreat sitting on nearly a full acre of pure wooded privacy. 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,350 square feet, and when I tell you this place is turnkey ready, I mean every single thing has been updated. Granite kitchen, spa bathroom with a custom stone tub, covered decks with mountain views all around you. I always try to bring you properties that are actually worth your time, and this one in Western North Carolina? This one I am genuinely proud to show you today. Let's go inside. I really hope you enjoyed this one today. Full listing link is right there in the description, go check it out. And if you are seriously looking for properties like this, subscribe because I find these for you every single week. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.